Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to your daily Ethereum update. Beginning of the week. Hope you all had a great weekend. If I already said that, hope you had a beautiful weekend. But in this video, we'll just take a look at Ethereum. We'll do a full overview on it. We had a little bit of bearish momentum overnight, which was not expected, to be fair, because I actually... in my eyes, even though the charts and the technicals were giving mixed signals very much, I still thought that we had a little bit of an uptrend going on. But you can see that with breaking this level right here at 1880, with the bearish momentum that we got overnight, we kind of broke through that market structure. So right now, Ethereum is, compared to Bitcoin, we're still very, very strong. But we're not bullish. We're neutral. We're not bearish either. But now we're just kind of in this area right here between 1850. Let's round it down to that, and 1915. That's the situation. And then the big question obviously is can we actually what to expect in that area, right? Can we get some bullish momentum? Is it more likely that we'll get some more bearish momentum and perhaps even a bearish breakout? So that's what we'll talk about in this video. There's actually a chance to become bullish again, but it would need to happen quite soon. But before we talk about that, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, check out the links down in the description or in the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join. But now onto Ethereum. So the one way in which we could actually become bullish again, even though I don't think it's likely, because what I meant with the mixed signals is that over this weekend, the ADX actually Thursday evening already dropped down below 20. So what that means is that at least the ADX is telling us that the market is not trending. And if the market is not trending, we cannot be in an uptrend either, right? And we also did not get any higher highs or anything. So it was also, if you use the eye test, we also were not that bullish. But apart from that, we were pretty strong. I think that's kind of the thing that that confused a lot of people. Right now, Ethereum has been very strong, whereas Bitcoin did not break above this level right here. Ethereum did, and we also held it. So right now, the only way to actually get bullish again, which is possible, the beginning of the week is usually very volatile. I would argue that most of the money has already gotten into the markets, but last week the volume at this point of time was 7 billion. So there definitely still is, which is like almost, well, not double, but it's way more than what it is right now. So there is still a chance for volatility, but for now, I think that volatility is more likely to be in line with the current structure, right? So the consolidation. So we broke down below this level right here at 1880. I think the most likely scenario is that we'll just take a bearish break retest off of that, and that will drop down to these levels right here. There's still the 200 EMA at around 1855. So let's just say we'll drop down to this level between 1855 and 1880, or 1850, excuse me. And then from there, I actually do think we'll be able to get some bullish momentum again, even though it does depend on the dollar strength index and when it will find resistance. But I would say it's unlikely that this consolidation will break, so that we'll get a bearish breakout through this level right here, which ultimately means breaking below 1835, which is pretty far away. So I think this is the most likely scenario. Now, what I wanted to say though, and how I actually got here, was that there's a small chance to actually get some bullish momentum. And that would be if right now we had that bearish breakout, this bearish breakout right here through 1880 made sure we are no longer bullish. If we can regain that level, so break above that level right now in the next, like, I don't know, 2 candles. So that's pretty soon, I know. But if we can do that, then I think we can actually be bullish again. Or then I would argue that we are bullish again. So then we can get to 1915 and 1930 easily. Now, do I think that's the most likely scenario? No. But I do think it's a realistic possibility. That's why I wanted to tell it. Or that's why I wanted to do a quick showcase on it. But I would wait for confirmation. So that's my take on Ethereum this morning. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.